Do you need to use RMIT Harvard referencing for an assignment and you're not sure where to start? Keep watching and you'll learn about the basics of referencing in this style, and we'll show you a great tool to help you out. With referencing in any style, formatting matters. This means that you need to provide information such as the author's name, year of publication, and title of text in the correct order. On top of that, punctuation needs to be used accurately. For example, full stops, commas, and brackets need to be used in the right place. And also, you need to pay attention to your use of italics. And remember, RMIT Harvard is formatted differently from Harvard referencing. If that sounds confusing, don't worry. We've got some handy tips coming up for you. To help students with their referencing, RMIT has developed a tool called Cite. It gives you general information about the most common referencing styles used at RMIT, and it tells you the rules for citation and referencing, as well as providing you with examples. Once you've entered Cite, different referencing styles can be found across the top of the page. Let's select RMIT Harvard. Now, other options will appear on a new menu. They are different material types that you may need to reference, such as books and journal articles. Let's imagine that we need to reference a journal article with one author. We can select these options from the menus. And now we will find rules and examples for how to do direct quotes, paraphrases, and reference list entries. The example on Cite tells us that for a paraphrase, I need to include the author's surname and the year of publication in my citation. For direct quotes, it's almost the same. We just need to remember to put the author's actual words in quotation marks and include a page number if we can locate it. So how do I make a reference list entry in RMIT Harvard? Well, it depends on what you want to reference. Different materials require different information and different formatting. Let's pretend that we need to reference an author called Abdul, who wrote a journal article called The Art of Coding in 2023. The example on Cite tells us that we need to include the author's surname, their first initial, year of publication, and then the title of the article in quotation marks. Next, we need to include the title of the journal in italics, the volume and issue number, and the page range of the article. Lastly, we need to include the article's DOI. Now we just need to format the information from Abdul's article in the same way as the example from Cite. So there you go, the basics of referencing in RMIT Harvard. Don't forget to use Cite to help you with your referencing.